Hi, welcome back to the Ultimate Human Body Quiz. Test your knowledge with these medium-level questions and see how well you know the body's functions. Ready? Let's get started. What is the name of the pigment that gives skin its color? A. Melanin. B. Keratin. C. Collagen. D. Elastin. The answer is A. Melanin. Which bone is known as the collarbone? A. Scapula. B. Clavicle. C. Humerus. D. Sternum. The answer is B. Clavicle. Which gland is responsible for producing insulin? A. Pineal gland. B. Pituitary gland. C. Thyroid gland. D. Pancreas. The answer is D. Pancreas. How many pairs of cranial nerves are there in the human body? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. D. 24. The answer is B12. Which part of the brain is responsible for controlling emotions? A. Cerebrum. B. Hippocampus. C. Limbic system. D. Brainstem. The answer is C. Limbic system. What is the name of the liquid that fills the spaces between cells and helps transport nutrients? A. Plasma. B. Lymph. C. Cerebrospinal fluid. D. Synovial fluid. The answer is B. Lymph. Which human organ is responsible for producing red blood cells? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Bone marrow. D. Spleen. The answer is C. Bone marrow. Which part of the ear is responsible for hearing? A. Cochlea. B. Ear canal. C. Eardrum. D. Vestibule. The answer is A. Cochlea. What is the main function of the lymphatic system? A. Oxygen transport. B. Waste elimination. C. Immune defense. D. Digestion. The answer is C. Immune defense. Which of the following is not a type of muscle tissue in the human body? A. Skeletal. B. Cardiac. C. Epithelial. D. Smooth. The answer is C. Epithelial. Which is the longest nerve in the human body? A. Sciatic nerve. B. Vagus nerve. C. Median nerve. D. Femoral nerve. The answer is A. Sciatic nerve. How many liters of blood does the average human heart pump per minute? A. 3 to 5 liters. B. 5 to 7 liters. C. 7 to 9 liters. D. 10 to 12 liters. The answer is A. 3 to 5 liters. Which organ is responsible for filtering waste from the blood to form urine? A. Liver. B. Stomach. C. Kidney. D. Bladder. The answer is C. Kidney. Which part of the human body is the most flexible? A. Spine. B. Jaw. C. Fingers. D. Elbows. The answer is A. Spine. Which vitamin is primarily responsible for calcium absorption in the body? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin E. The answer is C. Vitamin D. Thank you for taking the quiz. We hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge of the human body. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes and fun facts. Stay curious and keep learning.